Okay, question 15 says, look at the pattern. Set up a proportion you could use to find the number of small squares in figure 7. This is an interesting question. So what do I have for information? Well, I know I have figure number. That's one of my sets of data. And I know I also have number of blocks. So let's see if I can set up a proportion here, see if it works. So figure number 1 has 2 blocks. That should be proportionate to figure number 2, which has 4 blocks, and figure which should be proportionate to figure number 3, which has 6 blocks, which is proportionate to figure number 4, which has 8 blocks. Well, if I compare it all just to the first one, if I multiply it by 3 and multiply it by 3, I get this one. If I multiplied it by 4 and multiplied it by 4, I get this one. So yeah, they're all proportionate. If I multiply it by 2 and 2, I get this one. These ones here, if I was to just look at those two and say, are they proportionate, I probably wouldn't be able to say comfortably that they are. But really what I'm doing here is I'm multiplying it by 1.5 and multiplying this by 1.5. So they are proportionate, but it's just hard to see. Well, let's go back up here. Let's go to the first one. So 1 over 2, figure number. Here it wants me to find out figure 7. So if I put figure 7 as my top one and my variable is I don't know how many blocks it is, it would look like that. Okay, this is the proportion we use to figure out how many blocks are there. And from the top, I can figure out quite quickly that I'm just multiplying my figure number by 7. So if it is proportionate, which it says it should be, then the number of blocks will be 14. So therefore, there are 14 blocks. There are 14 blocks in the 7th diagram. Easy as that.